You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, British English. This just means something that looks like a human, and it's also an operating system by, of course, Google for smartphones. The British English pronunciation, Android. 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 In American English, in the US, it's more usually pronounced as Android. Android or Android. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.